Hi, it's Sabine. We're going out today, and I wanted to take the chance to show you that massage for the face. I got it out of my Japanese finger massage book, but you use the whole hand. Let me show you how. You start up here, come around, apply some pressure, not too light, not too firm. I do it around 5 times. I think the book said 4 or 5 times. Actually, no, I do it 6 times. It relaxes me more. 5 just doesn't do it by me, but 6 times it does. So I do this 6 times this way and 6 times the opposite direction. On the beginning, I relax my mouth. And then in between I take a deep breath, like with the mouth closed. I concentrate on my breathing once or twice or so, and it helps a lot with relaxation. It really does. It even takes away some of my anxiety. So start here, go around the face. I don't know if exactly that's the way you do it or not, but that's how I understood how to do it from the book. Yeah, and try not to talk. Just take time to be quiet. I'm just talking for my film, because I have to for my film. I hope it helps you. My whole face feels relaxed. I hope it helps you too. Have a good day. Love, Sabine. My face feels nice and relaxed.